Today, I'm going to show you how to make chicken tortilla soup in the Instant Pot. Let's do it. Hey, it's the Ginger Optimist. Welcome to my lifestyle channel. I love having fun in the kitchen cooking using my Instant Pot, the air fryer, sous vide, my Vitamix, even my oven. I enjoy doing DIY projects, especially soaping. I enjoy traveling and all kinds of things, so come and join me. I'd like to give a shout out to the security guys at the airport in the Columbus, Ohio airport. They recognized me, so hi guys, if you're watching, comment down below. All right, so we're gonna begin with putting water in our Instant Pot. I have 4 cups here. I'm gonna add a couple more cups. 1 cup of diced onions, a half a teaspoon of ground black pepper, half a teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt, half a teaspoon of garlic powder. Now we're gonna put our thin sliced chicken breast in. I have my Instant Pot set on pressure cook high for 6 minutes. Put the lid on and make sure that our sealing valve is sealed. I have this little orange gadget. I'll put a link down below where you can get one so that when you do a quick release, you turn it and it keeps the steam going this way instead of up on your cabinets. So while this is cooking, we're gonna mix all of our other ingredients in a bowl. 4 cans of organic black beans, 2 cans of Chilli Fixin Rotel, 1 can of organic diced tomatoes. If you want, you can use Italian seasoned diced tomatoes. I don't have those, so I'm going to add in some Italian seasoning. Half a teaspoon, and 1 can of cream of chicken soup. 1 heaping tablespoon of diced jalapenos. You can do less or more depending on your taste buds. And a tablespoon of cumin. Now we're just going to mix it all together. Now we're just going to put the lid on and let these flavors permeate together while our chicken breast cook. The timer's going off, so we're going to do a quick release. The little pressure cook button is dropped down, so it is safe to open our Instant Pot. And take the chicken breast out. Now I'm going to add this yummy mixture to our chicken broth. This is an 8-quart Instant Pot, so if you want to make this recipe and you only have a 6-quart, you're going to want to probably half your recipe. Let's squirt in some lime juice, and let's pull apart our chicken. So now let's mix this all together. Ah, smells so good. We're gonna do 6 minutes on pressure cook high. Make sure your sealing valve is on sealed. We're gonna let it come to pressure, cook for 6 minutes, do a 10-minute natural release, then a quick release. The Instant Pot has cooked for 6 minutes, and now it has done a natural release for a little over 10 minutes, totally released with that 10 minutes, so let's check it out. Oh my goodness. so amazing. That, my friend, is how you make chicken tortilla soup in the Instant Pot. Thank you so much for watching the Ginger Optimist. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you're not subscribed already, I hope you will. I look forward to connecting with you. Leave me comments down below. Thanks again, my friend. God bless. Bye.